Okay, so this is how you use a short video clip, bring it into Photoshop, create an animation GIF, and then export it for web viewing. Alright, so I've already taken my short video clip. It is downloaded on my device and I've opened up Photoshop. So now I need to go to File and Import, then Video Frames to Layers, and I need to find my video clip. And that's it. So I'm going to open. And this Import Video to Layers window will pop up. You are going to click Selected Range Only. And what you're going to do is you want to look at your video clip by pressing play right there. And you can see there's my short video clip. Now, my thing is I want to only have the last part of that clip show up, which is right there. So I can do that by dragging this scrubbing into where I see that last car leave, because that's where I want it to start, and then it ends right here, but I want it to go all the way in because I want that space. And now if I press play, let me move it back there and press play, it's gonna that's the clip that I want. So again, make sure you've pressed selected range only, and I'm gonna press OK. And it created a layer for every single frame in that video over here. Now my timeline window popped up automatically. Yours may not have done that. It may look like this. If that is the case, then go up to Window and just go down to Timeline, and it'll pop up with all those layers in there. Okay. Now once that timeline is popped up, you can actually press spacebar and see your video play. It will be slower. Alright, so there's your animation. You can see that there were 58 frames in that short video clip. Okay, a couple things I can do here. I can add an adjustment layer to all these by going down to this guy below my layers section and add an adjustment layer, and it pops up at the top. And remember, if any layers above all the other layers, it's going to be applied to those layers. Okay, so I can change that around, make it brighter or darker, increase the contrast, and now it's going to be applied. If I press spacebar, you can see it's applied to every single frame in that animation. Okay, I'm good with this, so I'm going to go ahead and export it as a JPEG by going to File and Save for Web. As it's loading, there's a couple things that you're going to want to make sure are selected in this Save for Web window. Number one, up here at the top where it says GIF. Yours may say JPEG or PNG. Click on it, and a little drop down that is clicked on GIF, GIF. Alright? The next one you're going to want to pay attention to as soon as it loads is the image size down here. So what I'm probably going to do is just cut that down from 100% the image size. I'm going to cut it down to 50% as soon as this image loads. Okay, and that is because it has animation in it and it's such a large file size. Okay, so got GIF selected. I'm going to knock this down to 50%. I'm good with that. I'm going to press save. And it asks me where I want to save it and what I want to call it. I'm just going to call it car, and I'll just go ahead and put it in my pictures and press save. And now if I go to my Finder window, after it saves, if I go to my Finder window and go to Pictures, I'll see there's my car GIF. I'll press space, and there's my GIF. Now, remember, you can only view GIFs other than the preview mode inside of a web browser. So I'm just going to click on my car GIF and drag it over to Chrome and let go of it. Once I do that, it'll open up another window, and this is how it will look on the web. So there's my GIF I just created, and have fun.